How to find community guidelines on your TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find community on your TikTok app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok. Once you are on your profile, you're gonna click on those three lines up there. And now click on setting and privacy and scroll down. You're gonna find community guidelines. Click on it. And this is it. This is your TikTok community. This is all the option in this community. So this is it guys, and you can download by click on the download icon at the bottom. And this is it. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.